Hello beautiful people and welcome back to Wine Chat. My name is Emma and I'm a certified sommelier and this is my Rhone Valley travel vlog. Here I am at Chateauneuf-du-Pape in Chateauneuf-du-Pape in southern Rhone, and these are some of the vineyards on their estate. One thing that is very particular about Chateauneuf-du-Pape is the soils. You'll notice that it's made up of these large round stones called galettes. These stones not only retain heat to help keep the vines warm at night, but they also trap moisture in the form of humidity, allowing the vines to have enough water to grow. This style of vine is called a bush vine, and it's very common to see in Chateauneuf-du-Pape and southern Rhone. Now it's time to take a look inside the winery. These massive barrels are called foudre, and they allow the wine to age without having too much influence from the oak. These are some of the fermentation tanks, which you can see can hold a lot of wines. Here I'm trying the Chateauneuf-du-Pape White, which is predominantly made from the Roxpin grape. This is their Côte de Rhone 2019, which was absolutely delicious, deep, and so well structured. We did try some of their great Chateauneuf-du-Pape Rouge, but I was way too focused on trying them to film any of it. Leaving the southern Rhone and travelling up to the northern Rhone appellation of Hermitage. This is us walking across the bridge across the Rhone River towards the vineyards of Hermitage Hill. Lots of the vineyards here are terraced and are on very steep slopes. Lots of the vines in Hermitage, especially the ones on the very steep slopes, are done in the Enchilada training method, also known as staked vines. Enchilada is used throughout the world in regions where it's very windy, where the slopes are very steep, and where the vines can be managed manually. We were literally running towards what I consider to be one of the best views in the entire wine world, looking down from the Hermitage Hill towards the town of Chateauneuf-du-Pape down to the Rhone River. Finishing up my trip with a tasting at the iconic Chateauneuf. Chateauneuf have wines coming from all over the Rhone Valley, and this is their Temenos Cornas. It is 100% Syrah grapes from the tiny appellation of Cornas at the very bottom of the northern Rhone. A very nice surprise to finish with was the Chateauneuf Sothis Gin. Beautiful, soft and floral. This is well worth a try if you can get your hands on it. And I'll tell you, it tasted very delicious at 11 a.m. Driving past some more very steep vines, this time in the appellation of Saint-Joseph. Time to say au revoir to the Rhone Valley. Thanks for watching, and remember, drink better, be better.